All right, kids, we've made ourselves a kiddie pool garden. What do you want to plant?
Radishes!
We cannot plant radishes.
Why not?
Because radishes are too spicy.
We don't care!
Well, all right then.
Take out radishes if you like. And show them to the camera. Show them to the camera. Oh, yeah. Camera. Whoa, look at that.
So, you want a little garden? But you have no land to dig up. I bet too much shoveling hurts your back. You don't want to deal with pesky weeds. Well, this is how you make a kiddie pool garden.
Plant those seeds one by one. Give 'em lots of water and give 'em lots of sun. Up through the soil, something pops out. Ah, looky here, we got a radish sprout. Hang at the kiddie pool garden. Come hang at the kiddie pool garden. Hang at the kiddie pool garden, where the radishes grow so high. All right, kids, what do you want to plant now?
Lettuce!
We cannot plant lettuce.
Why not?
Because lettuce will get stuck in your teeth.
We don't care!
Well, all right then. Plant those seeds one by one. Give 'em lots of water and give 'em lots of sun. Up through the soil, something pops out. Ah, looky here, we got a lettuce sprout. Hang at the kiddie pool garden. Come hang at the kiddie pool garden.
We are working with manure.
Hang at the kiddie pool garden, where the lettuce grows so wide. All right, kids, what do you want to plant now?
Peas!
We cannot plant peas.
Why not?
Because peas will poke you in the eye.
We don't care!
Well, all right then. Plant those seeds one by one. Give 'em lots of water and give 'em lots of sun. Up through the soil, something pops out. Ah, looky here, we got a little pea sprout. Hang at the kiddie pool garden.
Or right on there, yeah, get her on there.
Hang at the kiddie pool garden.
You don't have a kiddie pool?
All right, kids, I'll tell you what, we got room for just one more thing. What do you want to plant?
Sunflowers!
We cannot plant sunflowers.
Why not?
Because sunflowers will make you sneeze.
We don't care!
Well, all right then. Plant those seeds one by one. Give 'em lots of water and give 'em lots of sun. Up through the soil, something pops out. Ah, looky here, we got a sunflower sprout. Hang at the kiddie pool garden. Come hang at the kiddie pool garden. Hang at the kiddie pool garden, where the sunflowers grow so high. Ah, looky here, we got a sunflower sprout. Hang at the kiddie pool garden. Come hang at the kiddie pool garden. Hang at the kiddie pool garden, where the sunflowers grow so high.
Action!
Where the sunflowers grow so